another cause of problems is in our headaches and neck pain is our scalenes. And so the scalenes kind of lie within and near this SCM that we just worked. So I'm going to give you another option of ways to play with this musculature. So we have our larynx. So that's the bump in the front of our throat. We're going to be working to the left side and the right side of the SCM. And we're going to use our 4-inch ball. And maybe or probably a block would make it most comfortable for you. And then I'm going to have Angela lie down on her right side. And you can take a blanket between your knees if you would like. And her knees are going to be bent so she's balanced. Her right arm is under her, kind of out to the side. And we're bringing that the 4-inch myo ball right onto the SCM on her right side of her neck. So right now she's just applying some pressure and laying down in it. If you feel like it's uncomfortable to have the block there, your head's too lifted, you could take a block out of the way and then try it down on the floor. So which feels better for you?
I felt more with the block.
More with the block, okay. So she's going to come up higher on the block. She felt it more. And she's got it right now behind the SCM. So it's more towards the back of her neck, and she's applying the pressure there. So she's going to start to rock her head. So she's going to tilt her chin down and then tilt her chin up. So she's moving across that musculature into the scalenes. And she's tilting her head up and down, and she'll also move it side to side, tilting the chin down towards the block and then up towards the ceiling, and massaging this whole right side of her neck. So scalenes and SCM can actually cause different sensations in our arms as well. So if you have fingers that occasionally go numb or that feel tingly, or sensations down your arm, maybe even pain in your arm, the upper shoulders, in your neck or face, this could be an area that is the cause of those problems. So if you're really tight in your scalenes and SCM, you might find that this really helps to relieve some of those things.